Welcome to my vlog. This is entry number 15 and we're going to get started. My goal is still to double my account within a year. Follow my daily charts on Instagram and also check out my favorite energy drink XS. It's on my website and in the description. Okay, my last trade, I was not profitable. I had to get out. I reached my stop loss. I got in on the 26th. I got out on the 13th. I decided I needed to change I lost more than I wanted and I gave back too many profits, but I was looking back at my other trades. If I'd set my stop loss at the 20-day exponential moving average, it will increase the times I'll have to get out, but I think it would decrease the losses overall. So we're going to take a look. Normally I haven't had a good track record with trying to make money when the market goes down. It is possible with my method, but I haven't got the timing down yet. So it's an important thing to be able to learn about yourself. To learn my method, check it out on Udemy. And to follow every trade and the exact price points, follow me on Patreon. The cheapest tier at $1 only has 8 spots left. So as always, don't look for a fair fight.